Hello and welcome back to another episode. This one is just drone days. Here I am, drone recovery mission. Tallest tree on the estate. Managed to just go out of range, and yeah, the batteries were going low and it decided to come down on the tallest tree. Marvellous. It's Daniela filming me just for her own gratification. Right, let's see if I can get this down. I doubt it. So it's too high. Try going up the ladder, but yeah, no chance. So I'll try and go up a little bit. I've got some fishing line, tennis ball with a rock. I'm going to try and hook it over the branch and see if I can give it a bit of a wobble and see if we can free it. I'm pretty sure it will come down in the first breezy night anyway. But yeah, let's have a go. Success. Got it on one of the lower branches, gave it a shake, and yeah, it's come down. Let's go see if we can find where it fell. Ooh. Fingers crossed. It actually looks in one piece. Fuck's sake. I need a bit more practice. Wasn't worried at all. Piece of cake. You know, when you put your engineering mind to it, you can always find a solution to any problem.
Mong.
Yeah, mind. Solution.
Mong.
Engineering mind.
Mong.
Yeah, whatever.
You're a mong.
Yeah, so yeah,
Losing
wasn't worried. It's all in
first
one
place.
piece, not broken at all. Yeah, I'm cream crackered. I'm going to go for a pint of wine. So from me, Daniela, dogs and the cats, we'll see you in the next episode.